In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover in CapCut PC. If you've ever wanted to talk your viewers through a process or add clear narration on top of your footage, CapCut makes it fast and simple, and you can start recording with a single click. Begin by getting your timeline ready. The key is the vertical playhead line, the thin bar that shows exactly where playback begins. Drag that playhead to the precise moment where you want your voice to start. Take a second to land it on a natural beat in your edit, like the first frame of a new clip or right after a transition, so your narration feels perfectly timed. Now look just above your tracks for the small shortcut toolbar. You'll see a microphone icon there. Click it, and CapCut will open the voice recorder panel. This is your control center for clean audio. On the right side, a configuration panel appears. Open the input device drop-down and make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you're using a USB mic or headset, pick that one. If not, your computer's built-in mic will work too. For the cleanest, most professional sound, check the box for echo reduction. This helps tame room reflections and keeps your voice more focused. Also, check Mute Project. That silences your timeline while you talk, preventing your speakers or any background audio in the edit from bleeding back into your microphone and causing echoes. When you're ready, click the big red record button. You'll see a 3-second countdown. Use it to take a breath and sit up straight. As soon as it hits 0, start speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Keep a consistent distance from your mic and try to avoid rustling papers or tapping your desk. If you glance at the levels or the waveform, aim for a strong signal without peaking. A calm, even delivery usually sounds best. As you speak, CapCut places your voiceover onto a brand new audio track directly beneath your video. Because you positioned the playhead first, the recording lines up right where you wanted, keeping everything naturally in sync with your visuals. When you've finished your narration, click the red button again to stop recording, then close the panel. That's it. Your voiceover is recorded, placed, and ready to go. You now have a studio-clean narration synced seamlessly to your video timeline, captured without leaving CapCut. With these settings and a bit of care in your delivery, your instructions will sound crisp, confident, and easy to follow. You're all set. Done.